Hello, you are welcome to Maths Clinic Series. In this set of videos, we are starting the series of permutations and combinations. And this is the first video, so it's going to be a very brief one, the introduction of permutation and combination. I want you to prepare very well with your calculator, your pen and notebook. Get ready for work. Don't watch this as a movie. Get your materials ready as if you are in the classroom having a teacher teaching you. Write your note, do your examples. Try your hand on some of the questions that will come your way. With the introduction aspect of this course, we want to look at this objective. By the end of this short video, you should be able to explain permutation and combination and identify the differences between permutations and combinations using real life situations. So now let's start. What comes into mind if you hear the word permutation? Permutation. I'm sure if you have done lotto staking before, maybe you've staked lotto before, the word permutation or perm will be familiar with you. Actually, the idea of perm a number as like when we are doing lotto staking, the same idea we are going to use in dealing with permutations. What about combinations? What about combinations? You've heard of combination. Combining two or three things together. Now, let's see this. The difference between the two. Are you surprised to get Gary and beans? I want to whet your appetite a little bit. I'm sure if you get this meal at this very hour of your time, maybe you'll enjoy it. Now, if you have this food served for you to eat, there's a combination of Gary beans, oil and vegetables. I'm sure you will not ask the person who gave you the food as to how the person combined the food, as to how the person served the food. You wouldn't ask him or her which one went into the plate first. Did you put the beans first before the Gary, before the oil, and then the vegetables, or you mix the vegetables and the oil before the Gary, before the beans? You don't care. All you know is that combination has come. You have to enjoy your meal. So combination, we don't care about the order of arrangement, how it came into being. But then let's see this one too. Number lock. If I have my code to be 51642 and I know you know the code to have this number of digits, and in the course of you trying to open this lock, you arrange yours as 15462. The question is, can you still open this particular lock? The answer is no. Why? Because the arrangement of this, because the number lock, if you have the same digit and you don't arrange them exactly how it's supposed to be arranged, you can't be able to arrange this one. Here, the idea is that position of the numbers matter. So if you are supposed to place 5 first, before 1, before 6, before 4 and 2, and you mix them up, even though they carry the same digit, you still cannot open it. It's like your password. If your password is, let's say, Evans, and you arrange your Evans as VANEX, and you tell people that, oh, I have my password containing 5 letters, and the letters form the word Evans, and the person go and spell Evans this way, you'll not be able to open your password or get access to your document unless the person uses the same order of arrangement, and that is what you call permutation. So in a nutshell, the difference between permutation and combination is that permutation says order of appearance matters. Combination says order does not matter. I have Gary, I have sugar, I have granite, I have cowbell. Mixing them together, the way I will mix them, I will eat and enjoy. I don't care about which one I put into the bowl first. Alright? But if you come to permutation, first is first, second is second, third is third. Arrangement here matters. Here selection matters. Here position is required. Here no position. We talk about groups or selection, or we just pick. Alright? So let's see 2 examples here. If a question comes like this, find the number of ways in which the letters of the word chemistry be arranged, then we are dealing with permutation. Number 2, a committee consists of 3 men and 5 women is to be selected from 5 mean we are dealing with combination. So normally you realize that combination questions, you hear the word selection, group, picking, selecting, or just picking people or picking numbers. But here in permutation, you always see the word arranged, or put some people in a row, in a column, in a straight line. Position is very important. Then you will see the difference between the two. So that is for the introductory part of permutation and combination. Our next video, we are going to concentrate on permutation for a number of series of videos. Then we go to combinations as well. With this, we come to the end of video number 1. Thanks so much for watching.